On the 14th of December 2009, the world witnessed a groundbreaking event that sent a shockwave through the cyber realm. It was an event that would forever change the way we perceive cybersecurity.
In mid-December, we detected a highly sophisticated and targeted attack on our corporate infrastructure.
Operation Aurora, as it came to be known. It was a highly sophisticated and coordinated cyber attack that targeted several major tech companies, including Google, Adobe, and Juniper Networks. Operation Aurora was a wake-up call for the entire cybersecurity community. It showcased the capability of an advanced persistent threats and the potential damage they could inflict on both private and public sectors. The attack was carried out by a group of highly skilled hackers. Their primary goal was to gain unauthorized access to the targeted company's networks and steal valuable intellectual property and gather sensitive information. But there was a group of people who played a crucial role in investigating and responding to Operation Aurora. We call them cybersecurity experts. And today, Google is trying to make more of those people by launching the Google Cybersecurity Certificate. And I decided to take the courses and earn the certificate, and I'm having fun. I even built something using my skills as a web developer to help me study the courses in an easy way without going back to watch the lessons again and again when I forget something. And I will share this project with you in the end of the video if you want to take the courses. Anyway, I'm making this video to document my learning journey in cybersecurity. Actually, I just finished the first course of the certificate, which was a big introduction in the cybersecurity field, and here's the most interesting things I managed to learn. The course covered the most common type of cyber attacks that you as a cybersecurity professional will need to prevent, like the password attacks, where the hackers attempt to gain access to a system or an account by guessing or cracking passwords. Social engineering attacks, by targeting the human element and tricking victims into giving up their personal information or clicking on a malicious link. Physical attacks, by accessing a system or a device physically in order to gain access to data. Adversarial AI attack, by using AI to automate the process of carrying out a cyber attack. Supply chain attack, by targeting the supply chain of a company in order to gain access to sensitive data. Cryptographic attacks, by targeting the actual cryptography that is used to protect the data. These attacks have two goals, either destroying the system or stealing information, or both. The attacker is mainly after two types of data: PII data and SPII data. PII stands for Personally Identifiable Information, which is any information that can be used to identify someone, such as their name, phone number, or email address, which is the main door to get the SPII data. The SPII stands for Sensitive Personally Identifiable Information, which is a specific type of PII that falls under stricter handling guidelines. This includes social security numbers, medical and financial information, and biometric data. The CII Triad, which stands for Confidentiality, Integrity, and Availability, which is a crucial concept in cybersecurity. It helps organizations identify and manage risk when creating security policies and systems to protect their digital assets. The three principles of the CII Triad are often incorporated into security frameworks, such as the NIST Cybersecurity framework, which provide guidelines for selecting and implementing security controls. These controls can take various forms, including technical measures such as firewalls and encryption, administrative measures such as security policies and training programs, and physical measures such as access control and surveillance systems. By implementing these controls with the principles of the CII Triads in mind, organizations can ensure that their information and systems are protected from unauthorized access or modification or destruction. Cybersecurity experts use a variety of tools such as firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, antivirus, anti-malware softwares, VPNs, encryption softwares, and SIEM systems. These tools monitor and control traffic and detect and prevent malicious activities and encrypt sensitive data and identify potential security threats. And of course they mentioned that we are going to use Linux as an operation system and Python for automation, penetration testing, and data analysis, and probably some machine learning in cybersecurity. And also we're going to use SQL for managing and querying relational databases, which can be valuable for storing and analyzing security related data. I already know how to use Python, so that's gonna speed up my learning process, and I have used Linux before, especially Ubuntu and Mint Linux. And to be honest, I don't know what they are going to use in the course, but I hope it's gonna be Kali Linux, as I really want to try the latest version. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I built something that can help me study the course. I built a web app using React.js, Express.js, and LangChain, an OpenAI API. This app can help you answer any questions related to the cybersecurity course. So this is the interface. For example, you can ask a question about the CIA Triad, and here's the answer. So even when I made a mistake, it's gonna get the right answer. And you can use it to simplify some concepts. For example, you can explain the CIA Triad to 10 years old, or you can explain the CIA Triad to 5 years old, and you're gonna get the answer. And hey, don't use it for cheating in the test. Cybersecurity experts have an important responsibility towards their organization and people in general, and cheaters can't protect anyone. So anyway, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share with you. And of course I couldn't fit everything in here because the first course is long, but I did my best to include every interesting things I managed to learn, or at least remember. So subscribe to my channel to see more videos, and I'll see you when I finish the second course. Bye.